Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can implement sign up or login with Facebook functionality using Node.js. I have created this application that is running on localhost with functionalities like sign up with Google, Facebook and GitHub. In this video I will show you how you can implement the functionality of sign up with Facebook. When I click on sign up with Facebook button, it will redirect me to web.facebook.com and ask me to enter my Facebook credentials. I am logging with my email. When I click on login, it will redirect me back to my application that is running on localhost and get all the data like the Facebook ID name or the provider that is Facebook and the ID that is the ID of my account. And I can also sign out from there. I am in my MongoDB collection. When I refresh the collection, you can see all the information like the ID provider and the account ID are also recorded in my MongoDB collection. Now how we can implement these functionalities? I am on the official website of Passport.js, that is passwordjs.org. You need to click on view our strategies and type Facebook here. You need to click the passport Facebook and it will redirect to the document. So this is the step-by-step guidance that you need to perform. First you need to install the passport Facebook. Then you need to create a new application on Facebook developer console. After that you need to configure your Facebook strategy that takes the Facebook app ID secret, Facebook app secret and the callback URL. And then you need to authenticate the request. You need to type Facebook developer console here, meta for developers. When you firstly click on this link, it will ask you to create a Facebook account. As you can see, I have already created a sample Facebook account. You need to click on my apps as we are creating a new application. These are two apps that I have already created. Click on new app. Click on consumers as we are creating the application for Facebook login. Give the name to your app like I am giving demo app. You need to give your email here and click on create app. You need to pass your password of your Facebook account here. It will take some time and create a new application for you. Now you need to add new products to your application. In order to create the application for login with Facebook function, you need to add the Facebook login in it. Click on setup. After that you need to click on web and give your URL here that as I am running the application on localhost, therefore I am giving as the site URL as localhost 3000 and click on save and continue. Just click on next and back. After that you need to click on settings and basic. So this is your application ID, that is app ID, and this is your app secret. You need to click on show to get your secret. So these are two things that we need to pass in the Facebook strategy object. After creating my client ID and secret key, I am back to my VS Code screen. First of all, I need to install the passport and the passport Facebook packages and import it in the file. After that, I need to create a Facebook strategy that takes two parameters. First is an object with client ID, client secret and callback URL, that is our redirect URL. I have placed all these things in my environment variable files. Secondly, you need to pass a function that takes access token, refresh token, profile and the callback URL and the callback function. Here I am checking that the user that just login is already present in my database or not. If it is not present in the database, I need to get all the information and save the new user in database and return the callback function. and if it is already present in the database, I just need to return the callback function. This is the API that is called when the user click on sign up with Facebook button. I am transferring the request to Facebook server to authenticate the user. After the user successfully enter his email, the callback function will automatically call. If the user has successfully entered the correct email, then I will redirect the request to /auth/facebook/success, where I am getting all the information and passing the information to my next screen. If the user failed to enter all the information, I am displaying the error login via Facebook error to the user. And I can also sign out from my home screen, where I am just destroying the session. So in this way, you can implement sign up with Facebook functionality using Node.js and Passport.js. Thank you very much.